There's a lot of people thinking about getting out of town to warm up, and police in Waterford are reminding people there if they do, they'll keep an eye on your place while you're gone.
Pretty cool. News 8's Tina Detal shows us how it works.
Waterford police say this is a service they have been providing for years. However, a lot of people aren't even aware of it. Waterford police have been checking on homes while people are away since the 60s, but there are still plenty of houses that go unchecked while they're unoccupied.
We put it out on our social media so that more people will take advantage of it, and we asked people that take advantage of social media to let others who don't know. You know, we're specifically concerned about the elderly, people who go away to Florida for the winter break.
If you want your home checked, fill out one of these cards at the station or online, and your address will be assigned at roll call.
It's one of the officers' responsibilities to go check the house if they can do so, depending on call volume.
I think that's an excellent idea.
Right now, all I got is a couple of cats looking at my house, so that's not going to work.
I wouldn't mind it at all. Just give me the vacation, and that'll help.
Be sure to let police know what cars will be in the driveway and what lights will be on so they know what is out of the ordinary.
If there's a vehicle in the driveway that's not supposed to be, that obviously puts us on alert.
Montville police also provide this service. We recently rode along with Sergeant Gary Galdenzi on patrol. Back in Waterford, police say they haven't interrupted any burglaries, but they may have prevented some, along with other hardships.
I know that we've found things in our checks, burst pipes, you name it.
This is what one of the house check cards looks like. Now, police say if you know someone who doesn't have a computer, print one out for them so they can sign up for this service as well. In Waterford, Tina Detal, News 8.